Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is kind of random, but there's a huge snowstorm that's happening right now if you can't tell. And I'm just going to be vlogging it. We're going on a little walk, just show off like the views, you know. This is the road. Definitely got some inches going right now. The road's completely covered. Now David's got the flashlight out. But yeah, we've got some treacherous. Oh wow, that looks cool. Wait, do it to the side again. Oh yeah, you can see all the little flecks. Pretty epic. Crazy view of the street right now. Just endless snow. The snow is glistening. Love to see it. Wow. So beautiful, so zen. We went to the local river, creek, I guess you could call it. It looks frozen, but it's probably not. Looks very epic though. The water's still running on this side though. Definitely not frozen. You're trying to lay down like up here. Yeah. Wait, zoom it out though. Yeah, definitely not frozen. But damn near. This is what the woods looks like. Pretty zen. Here, just have this playing. Zen nature walk. Oh, now I got the, okay. We are officially on the trail. We are off-roading this bit. Very interesting nature scene. This body of water seems to be almost frozen, but a little bit running. Looks very epic though. We found another body of water and now we have to cross. Wow. Did it with ease. Look at that water go. It's quite beautiful. Very zen. What do you think of this experience, David?
It's crazy.
Got some zenness going on here. What? Oh my gosh, there's a car. Guys, found out this epic thing I can do with the flashlight. Also, we can like uncover signs. Like there's a sign over there. Without it, you can barely see it. Just makes it so reflective. Then there's this gate down here. See, boom. Having a lot of fun with these here flashlights. We've got some fresh animal tracks. David messed them up, but it's okay. Pretty freaking cool. Yeah, now we're at this big, huge open field here. We'll show. Yeah, guys, well, this is it. It's a very open field. Looks amazing though, and the snow's really come down.
Yeah, it really looks.
We've got some blistery wind action. Kind of crazy sight to see. A little bit of tire tracks, not many though. Very snowed over. We found the river. Looks pretty massive. Definitely not frozen though. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. I thought the vlog was gonna end there, but it's the next day. I'll show one sec. There's a frick ton of snow. It's crazy. It snowed all night last night and then like till like 2 p.m. today. It's insane how thick this is. Look at the hammock. David barely opened the fence, but it's stacked up against the fence. It's insane. You can barely walk. David's shoes are being filled with snow.
Yeah.
David's about to flip this hammock. Whoa, so satisfying. Alright guys, that is actually the vlog this time. I hope you enjoyed and don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. Oh, he